Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase divorce case knowledge with DivorceNet easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your divorce case knowledge with DivorceNet, start by visiting the official DivorceNet website. Take a moment to explore the homepage. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Input relevant keywords related to your specific questions or concerns. Press the search icon to view a list of resources and articles. Browse through the search results. Identify articles that seem most relevant to your situation. Click on titles that interest you for a deeper dive. Make sure to read the entire article for comprehensive understanding. Take notes on key points or terms that are unfamiliar. Utilize the site's navigation menu to access specific categories. Explore sections such as divorce basics and child custody. Use the FAQ section to find answers to common questions. If necessary, consult the glossary for legal terminology explanations. Consider saving bookmarks for articles you find particularly helpful. Share insights with a trusted friend or advisor to discuss further. Regularly check for new articles or updates on pertinent issues. Engage with the community by participating in discussion forums. Keep track of your learning progress to maintain focus. If needed, contact DivorceNet for personalized support or inquiries. Stay informed about state-specific laws by accessing localized resources. Review FAQs for quicker responses to straightforward questions. Consolidate your knowledge by summarizing what you learn. Make a plan to revisit and refresh your knowledge regularly. With consistent engagement, you'll enhance your understanding of divorce cases effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.